Bird squashing the kid back at it. Got all this circular saw taped off. Got a good section of it torn out. It's not fun. Got all this cut. I have to get those pieces out from underneath there. That's gonna be great. And I wasn't gonna tear these up just yet, but it turns out they're not gonna be able to work with that. So gotta cut it all the way back. This board goes all the way up into there. So what I'm gonna do is cut a piece right about here. A little dummy end, a little customized, and we'll be good. Right, Squash?
I don't know, you gonna go show him my section?
Yeah, let's go see what Squash got done over here. He's battling against the wall, which is pretty fun.
Battling the wall.
Yeah. I mean, by battling the wall, he's up against the wall, so he can't really swing the direction he needs to get up in here real good, but yeah, very time consuming.
When I get over to the open area, go quicker.
Yeah, man. Fun stuff. All right, we're gonna go get some lunch. We'll be back. Hope everybody's enjoying their day so far as much as we are.